No?
Yesterday you have given two things as a
Yeah,
homework, and could you explain how to do that? Will you explain that? One was to check whether drop down list has duplicate, and the second one is get the occurrence of the O of all the elements.
correct.
So will you explain that, or I don't know. I couldn't get the logic of how to get that.
Oh,
Find the occurrence.
I'll do that. I'll do that.
Okay.
Coffee bonnet. Coffee tea bonnet. Black coffee. Hmm.
சரிண்ணே அவ்வளவுதான் ஜீன்ஸ் பேண்ட் இருக்கு அது நீங்க பாத்தீங்க நைட்டு மாத்திரம் இருக்கு
Well, once I'll write the code, I'll explain. Okay. Just hold on. I'll write the code once and I'll explain all those. Fine?
Okay.
It's equal to 0. Oh, options dot get text. Sorry. Get the file text. No, go. Hmm. To store all those, I'll create a empty set. Hmm. But set the string. Hmm. Of all the options, everything you will get in one place. Or options. Hmm. done with both the programs in one place. Okay. See, first of all, what I did, I got the occurrence, how many times, like what are the elements it is present, we'll get to know like one by one. You have to put like this. Okay. If condition and you can match to get this. Correct. Next one is your set is used, that set will not allow any duplicate value. Here what happens, it is not going to allow any duplicate value in hash set, and while printing from the hash set we will get only the unique content of the drop down list. Clear?
The quest. So here
Mm.
we are finding the occurrence. How many times Pallavi that
Correct. So
value
not only
occur?
Pallavi, see actually why I have given this question. This is actually it was an interview question. Okay. One of like in one interview they have asked this question. That's why I have given. Previously the same thing will I did. See what was the question, to get the unique content of the drop down list. That means only to print the unique values of the drop down list. If I'll print the list value, no, instead of set, I'll not get unique values, because wherever there is a duplicate value, that will also come. Clear or not? Same thing as
Sir, the
tree, a
sir, the
tree
que-
yesterday.
Go ahead, please.
Same thing I have done with tree yesterday or not, for ascending and descending.
Yes.
Same thing. That means what happened, which if I'm using with this set, I'll not get any duplicate value. Clear? But unique, that is known as only to get the unique content. But as you are saying, no, not only with Pallavi, I'm not saying. For example, how many options are there in the this text field? Okay, you can match to get the occurrence. If condition you have to use. If you want to check for any other also, like this, if condition if you use, you can do that.
Okay, so the question was to get the occurrence of all the elements. The question number 12 was to
Like
get. So if
like
you
that,
want
you
to,
have to put, yeah, you have to put all the all like if block more for that.
oh, that's the only option we have. Okay,
Yeah,
we have to put, okay, okay, got it. Thank you.
got my point. Just see,
Yes.
just to sharpen your brain only, I have given these two questions. Both the things I have done previously.
Okay.
Got my point? Clear?
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Next, we'll start. Hmm. Actually, I'm searching something to show you. Just a minute. All the things of drop down list and auto suggestion completed. Only one thing which I left out, how to handle a disappearing auto suggestion. Have I said you previously?
Are disappearing auto suggestions? I don't think so. That's what I'm thinking.
No, actually, that is these are the concept. Maybe it will come. That's why I'm showing. I'm trying to get all those things. Just remind me tomorrow, okay? Anyone to say you how to handle disappearing auto suggestion. Disappearing auto suggestion means what? Like here, what happens? I'm entering only IP. I'm entering. That means suggestions are coming or not. I want to click on any of the suggestion, but while clicking here, you can see the suggestion box is going. Clear? How to handle all this, I'll tell you. Just remind me once, correct? It should not go, but why it is going? Okay, we'll start with mouse operations. Let's see how to handle mouse operations. To handle mouse and key operation, we use action class of Selenium. Okay. Do remember one thing, note while using actions class mouse operation, you should call perform method. Syntax is action is equal to action which takes web take WebDriver add This action is a class present in interaction. Okay, first take down this, then we'll go. Like actions class, like to handle any of the mouse operation, we will be using a class called as action class. Like for drop down list, we are using select class. Like that, we'll be using for actions class. We'll be sorry, for mouse operations, we'll be using actions class. Clear?
So,
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Semi.
yeah, in our WhatsApp group,
Mm.
some people are saying that they are not able to join the class. Do you know why? Uh,
Just a minute, I'll check it once.
okay.
Just a minute. Why means see everyone is joining. Why they are not able to join? How I can tell?
Okay. So then I
Actually,
look into
this
it.
just a minute. I'll still then I'll check it once.
Actually, admin will have to allow them to join the class.
It's not like that, buddy. No one is allowing you. You are directly joining or not?
They have to
Yeah,
register to Zoom. Actually, without register or sign up,
That's
it
what
is not
that's
allowed.
what some issues will be there because it's not like that. It's an open class actually. That's why.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
so no need to register for Zoom as well because if we enter the login ID just it is navigating to the class.
Maybe I don't know.
Yeah, for me it was giving trouble. So I became 15 minutes late, I think.
Oh,
Uh, yeah. So it was giving trouble. I don't know why. Yeah, but I
it
have
is
to,
maybe any application issue is there. See, actually from my end, I have not done anything. Okay, I have to join directly.
yeah, I have to log in Zoom. It was not allowing without logging
Maybe,
in.
maybe, yeah.
Yes, for me also it was the same case. Even I wasn't able to join. Somebody joined, like Prajapati Mikkel. Yeah, somebody entered. I signed up and it worked for me later.
Fine. Mhm. Okay, how to handle mouse and keyboard operations? I told you. Then how to click on a web element.
What you did, sir, till now? Just a overview.
Just
Don't
no, just
explain
just
everything.
now started like previously. S- I have given a question. That question I have just done this program for that. Nothing
Okay.
more I have done. Okay.
Okay. I just want to take the
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
screenshot.
You can take a screenshots. Those who are
how-
joined late, you can take a screenshot of this. Just
sir,
now
if you
I
don't
have
mind,
spent. Yeah.
yeah, sorry for interruption, sir. Sir, if you don't mind, can you just write that question for this program with double slash so that everyone can understand about this?
Done?
Sir,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Say.
Yeah, you have written a if condition over there, and think about a scenario. There was a homework question that we have to log into the Facebook and click on the create account and do enter the value for date of birth in the drop down list. And
Correct.
so in the drop down
How to
list
do
for
that?
the
Correct.
for the year, there are a lot of options. So if you want to check, if you want to get the occurrence, should we do if conditions for all those things? Don't we have any
See,
other better option?
what I'll tell you one thing. See, like what it will happen if you want see to access drop down list, we are using select class, correct?
Yes.
This is the question, the content, like unique contents of the drop down list and your occurrence of the drop down list. These two questions, no. In interview, you will get all those things. And as per
Okay.
your question, actually, this was the interview question, correct?
Mhm.
Actually, as you are saying, it is year. Year may not be your in years. You will not have any duplicates, correct? Still, then, if any duplicate is also there,
Mhm.
actually, what the interviewer is asking, you have to print only the unique values of the drop down list. It may be 100 number of elements present, but from that 100 number of elements, if any duplicate is there, he don't want to see or she don't want to see. She want to see what? Only the unique content. That means only how much elements, single element it is present. In that condition, what you'll do, you'll just fetch and put it in a set. It may be with hash set, it may be with tree set. If you're going to put it in a set, it will automatically remove the duplicate values.
Yeah.
And he or she will get only the unique content of the drop down list. Then coming to occurrence, of which value you are searching for the occurrence, you can search in this if condition format.
Got it.
That was actually interview question for which, just to let you all guys know, see, just to confuse you, I have done all those things. Just to confuse you, just to sharpen your brain, I have given that question.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, how to click on a web element?
Dot click.
Yes. Previously, we are using dot click. If any element is not working with dot click, how to do? WebDriver is equal to I want to click on this forgotten password. I'll click on this forgotten password. This plus a bracket start dot equal to what I'm doing wrong. You guys are not seeing me also. And
unstable.
Please, guys, don't
Sir,
talk.
sir.
Yeah,
Yeah, could you ask everyone to mute
that's
so
what
that
only,
the room
that's what only I was saying.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank
That's
you.
what only I was saying. At least be on mute if you're talking. See, I am also getting disturbed because I have not marked up with all the programs, and I don't have any programs in some places where I can see and write. As per the syllabus, also I have to go. See, as per the syllabus, I'm just doing the programs.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
I'm also getting disturbed here. If you all guys, you can ask questions, but don't talk like that. See, now what happened? I have just stored the element in a reference called as link. Okay, to click on that, see here, don't get confused here. Action, if I have written, maybe I have written wrong here. It's actions, not action. It's actions. S. Just please check out all this one. Okay, this is actions class, not action. This is actions class. See, while you'll enter action, you'll get like this action java.awt, like this you'll get. While entering actions, you'll get org.selenium.interactions package, which I have written here. This is a class which is present in your interaction package. Action is equal to new action, which takes WebDriver as an argument. See what this thing and this thing is correct or not. WebDriver as argument. Next, action dot click. Click on web element. Okay. Why it has not clicked? Can anyone say me? Unmute. Just say me. Why like it has not clicked?
Should we call perform method to do that?
Correct. As of I written, many of the
Yeah.
time what people will do, they will not call this method. Okay. Only after calling that method it will work. If you want to perform that, you have to call that method. See, clear?
Yeah. Sir, can you go on your on your notepad where you write it about it?
Yeah, sure.
Mhm. Just a second. Thank you.
Yeah, take down this. Done? Okay. Just a minute, guys. Hold on. Next, double click on a web element. Here only I'll do double click. Driver dot and element by dot xpath. What you have to do, action dot double click on the element where you want to do dot. See, please fill that. That means 2 times it has clicked here. Clear? You might be thinking what I am doing. Normal click method, see, with normal click with single click we are doing here. In this method, we are clicking it double times. Okay, take down this. Done? Next. Double click is done. Mouse. Okay. Right click on a web element. What I'll do now is I'll come here, I'll do right click, I'll click on open in incognito mode. Okay, how to do that? See,
What are we doing now? Right click, right?
yeah, right click means, see, what happen is here I'll come here, forgotten account is there, no, like to click here to access all those elements. Here two things I'll be teaching you. This window is this suggestion what you're getting, this is not of the web page, this is of a window, correct? Selenium will help to access on the web page, not on window, but this is of window. How to access this? And if I will click here, if I'll click here directly, if I'll click like this, it will open like this. But I don't want to click here. I want to open it in new window or in incognito mode. If I'll click on new window, it will open on new window. If I'll open this link in new tab, it will open in new tab like this. Correct? Or else I want to open in incognito mode. For all those things, I have to right click here or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. How to do the right click and how to access with those elements after doing right click. Here I'll be teaching you two concepts. That is how to like do this right click, how to handle this context menu. We call that as context menu. And to use all those things, you will be using a class called as robot class. These three things in one programs will be taught here.
Okay,
Once
sir.
focus, you will get all those things. Okay. What I did, just I have stored that element. I have created instance of the actions class, actions dot c. Right click is nothing. It is called as context click. Okay. Context click. Okay. I'm clicking on the element dot perform. Got my point up to this? Line by line, I'll show you. Just see. Open. Clear? This one is open. Now what I want to click on all those elements. See, this one which we have opened, it is not of the web page. It is not of the web page, that is of the OS. And here we cannot use keyboard operation, for which we have to go for a class that is known as robot class. Robot class will be imported from java.awt package. R dot just a minute. Key press key event dot v gear down gear down WT exception. Release enter release see first the execution part, then I'll explain this. Focus there. Opened with incognito mode. Okay, what I have done here, just see. 1, 2, 3. Correct? 3 times I came down and I have clicked there. Okay. What is this robot class? First, we'll see what is this robot class. Then we will come here. First of all, this robot class is used for I forgot the word. This is spelling of virtual. Board. It is used for virtual keyboard, and this robot is a class present in Java.awt package. Okay. And inside this robot, we are having three methods, that is key press method, just a minute, I'll tell everything. Release method. Yeah, you can just unmute and ask what you are asking. Prajapati, you can ask.
So, sir, now you are doing the code. So, which syllabus you are prefer like that? Which topic we are like you are teach with us? Which topic?
I didn't get your question.
Because you are currently when the start while the start our class, and you are currently doing to the some coding. But I have some question about it. Like which topics we are currently learn, which like that basic concept or advanced concept or mid of the between advanced to basic.
It's all of the basic concepts. It's not the like advanced concept. Like advance is not like that. Like only advance means you'll work with the framework. That is the advanced one.
Okay, yeah. So can you provide some documents about it?
I have already shared the documents with everyone, and this is the syllabus which we are following. I'm showing you every time.
The, I haven't got that.
We
Once I
don't
have
have that
seen a
actually.
video.
Like we joined
But
late. So
yeah,
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 some
Those
people who
yeah,
join late.
those who don't have, just once the class is completed, just remind me. I'll let you know what to do. Okay?
sure, sure.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
You all
Sure.
will be getting that. Sure. For sure, I'll be helping out. Correct?
Yeah, yeah, sure, 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 sure.
Okay. See, this
So,
robot is a class which is present in your java.awt package, and inside this robot class, we are having three methods. One is key press, one is key release, and one is your delay, and this delay is taking integer millisecond as argument. Fine. Now, what is this robot class is all about? I'll say you. Actions class means actions is used for only mouse operations and to handle keyboard operation. Normal keyboard, we are using enum, but for virtual keyboard. But for virtual keyboard, we will be using a robot class. Clear up to this first? Don't get confused. You're clear
I
up.
I
Yes,
I
sir.
didn't get the enum part which you told.
Okay, okay, nice. That's what only I'm saying. See, I'll write everything in one place so that you'll get to know. Here, previously what we are doing, we are writing like this: link dot send. Because for example, we want to send something. Keys dot forward, backward, we have done.
Send keys. Yeah. Keys dot click.
Yes,
Arrow
sir.
down, arrow up. These things we have done.
Yeah.
Okay, just this 21 number line is not required here. Just to show you, I have done. Okay, this one. This one we have done.
Okay.
That is keys enumeration we have used, and this keys enumeration is of your enum. See, keys e written here. That is of enum.
Okay.
This keys enumeration is used only for keyboard operation, normal keyboard which is present in your system or laptop. Fine. That is used for that. And for only mouse operations, we are using this actions class. And for virtual keyboard, this on-screen keyboard, see, for this virtual keyboard, we are using this robot class. We are using this robot class. Now comes a question here, why I am using like this. See, I have written here key press VK down. Okay, it will go down. Again, I have press like this. But here I have written as release. See, I have pressed here. It is coming down. It is like this. But what happens here? See, if I'll press with shift, what it will happen? It is pressing like that or not? Again, if I'll press, it has released or not? That's why to use this virtual keyboard, how many times we'll press like any of the key, we have to release it once also. That is all about your key press and key release. Key press will press the key release will release the key. And this is used for your normal on-screen keyboard. Fine. And this delay method will act as a thread dot sleep here. It will delay from 1 like 28 to 29 it will come, or 30 it will come. Here it will delay for 500 millisecond. That is your 0.5 seconds. Clear up to this what I did today, or any doubts from this program?
But why do we need this virtual keyboard?
Okay, as I asked this question, here I'll right click here. How to click on those elements?
Because it is not a web page, it is a
This is
separate window.
this context menu is not of your web page, and you cannot like locate all those things. You cannot access to those elements. To access to those elements, we have to like go for robot class, mandatory. Without using robot class, you cannot click on any of this element.
So that's why we are going for virtual keyboard to click on that.
That's why, see, that's why we are going. Actually, what happens if now a question will come in your mind, sir, why we can do normal keyboard? See, to use normal keyboard, we need a web element inside which we are writing as send keys and keys dot we are using like this, correct? Arrow up, arrow down, anything we are using like this. But here, which element I will locate? Here, which element I will locate to send the data?
Okay, so web page we can use normal keyboard, but
Yeah.
inside the window we can't use normal
Inside
keyboard.
if simple thing, if it is a web page, we can use our normal keyboard. But to operate any of in the OS operations, we have to go for this Robert class. See, another thing I'll show you. Just a minute. Here came as upload resume. I'll click here. It will open like this. How you will do here? Which element you will access? Got my point? That means here what in like here also we have to like I'll pass the path here. I have to like use keyboard operation. A normal keyboard it will not work. Got my point? Clear up to this? Yes, no. Hey, if you're not
Yeah.
getting ask me, I'll let you know. Don't worry, I'm not scolding anyone.
I have
Kind of.
Got my point?
Actually,
Hmm.
yeah, we got your point, sir. But only one thing I want to ask you that virtual every time when we go for separate window, the content present inside the window, then automatically we need to fetch for virtual keyboard, right?
Yeah,
So without the virtual keyboard help, we can't access those things.
no,
Is there any another alternative for that?
no. See,
Okay.
alternative is there. What my point is now, see, in your question, like in your mind, it is coming some different questions, correct? See, I'll show you something.
No,
You will
just
say,
my
sir,
point.
see, I got your
Sorry.
point. I got your point. But as per my concern is to access with this window. You don't have any other options. Okay. To access from this window, you don't have any other options. You will say me, sir, to open in incognito mode, we have any other options? Yes, it is there. To open new window, any other options? Yes, it is there. But my point, my perspective was if I am doing right click here and this window is like this is coming, this context menu is coming, this context menu is of your OS. We cannot access to these elements of the OS. To access to those elements, we have to go for Robert class. Without using Robert class, we cannot use. Clear?
Okay, got it, sir.
I have a
Anything?
question, sir.
Yeah, ask.
Okay. So in here, the action class, here you open the context menu and
Yeah.
you are using we have options. You are using the mouse to come to that save link as, and you're clicking on mouse. And we have options to use our real keyboard to reach save link as, don't we?
Yeah, we have.
Okay, so in here, you are when you are dealing with that code, that keys dot, I don't know,
Yeah. Keys dot
key
down.
yeah,
Yeah,
those
yeah.
things. So are you dealing with the mouse click or I'm confused or with the arrow
I'm
key?
making you more clear. See, simple thing I'll say you. Okay. Keys operation is a different thing. See, this one is different.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. That I got it.
Just a minute,
But
just a minute. You are getting confused. That's what I'm saying.
mhm.
I guess she wanted to know like when we are doing it manually through the mouse, then
Hmm.
why we are needing virtual keyboard while doing the automation part,
That's what I'm
right?
saying. I'm coming
Yeah.
to that.
Yeah.
I'm coming to that. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay.
Mhm.
Here we are using this as mouse. See, I'll tell you why I am doing that and why it is done. This is used for your normal keyboard. This is used for your virtual keyboard.
I,
Now
I
I'll
think
say
I
just a
think
minute.
answer for her question. I think answer for her question is to we are not handling directly the web page, whatever the present UI.
I'm saying that
So
I'm
just we
going
are
to that.
handling inside elements.
Give me 2 minutes. I'll explain all those things. You'll get everything clarified. Okay. See what happens here. These three are three different things, correct? As you are asking, normally what we used to do, we are like clicking here, right click, we can move the mouse and click. But giving instruction through Selenium, we cannot move the mouse also. Because to move the mouse after this, I have to write a statement to move the element. Means I have to move my mouse pointer from one place to other place. I have to write a code for that. That is actions dot move to element. Actions dot move to element. This will help to move a mouse from one place to other place. But here we don't have that option because this context menu is of your OS. This one is of your OS. You cannot access to this context menu. You cannot move your element. If you are able to store the web element, then only you can move your mouse, or else you cannot move your mouse. That's why we have to use.
Okay, sir. Okay, got
Clear?
it. Yes, thank you.
Anything more, guys? You want to know?
Sir, please share that notepad screen and zooming out. Like notepad screen with zooming out. Yeah. From
I
okay.
want to understand one more time, like how is key press is working and how is key release is working. You showed that keyboard picture. Can you show one more time?
Yeah, just a minute. This key press. Just actually, we are instructing to press. Okay. See, key press. Key press key, like I have written, no key went wicked down. That means what happened? I'm instructing to press. It will press like this. If I'll write as key release, then only it will leave.
Okay.
I think it is just similar to the not virtual keyboard as a physical keyboard. Also, we can press any key and keep it for hold. And if we release that
For
one, it is releasing that.
physical keyboard also you can do, but in physical keyboard will you cannot access here.
No, no, no. Just I'm
Same
asking
thing,
that
same thing.
actions
Same
we
thing.
can
Okay.
we can hold any key for some time and we can release that key after
Yeah,
some time.
Okay.
done.
Mhm.
Sir, can you zoom out this program? Yeah, thank you.
Good to go. Completed. No,
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
I'll give
Thank you.
assignment. Today I'm not going to give any assignment. All the assignments completed till now. What I have given? Yes.
Doing,
No.
sir.
Hmm?
Doing, it's in process.
Let's see. Okay. Fine. Bye bye, guys. Take care.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Okay. For the syllabus. Okay. Those who have not got the syllabus, those who are like not got the content of what I'm teaching here, can you drop me your mail IDs here so that I can mail you my syllabus part?
Here or in the chat?
Chat box, chat box.
Okay.
Quick. Those who have not got, only two? Okay. So many people not got.
Yeah, actually, I joined late when
Okay.
Arul used to join.
Same here, sir.
Fine. Just a minute. Today only I'll send, okay? Abhishek, just remind me once, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Ask Arul or you, just remind me once, correct?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, how the classes you are feeling with the class? Good?
Yeah, it's good, sir.
Like some productivity you are getting or not? No, you are just wasting the time. You're feeling like wasting time here.
No, it's
Oh,
helpful, sir.
No, it's
every
not.
day it's something new.
Yes.
What? Every day?
Something new is coming up.
Okay.
I always used to think like,
Actually,
okay, selenium is this much only, I think. Then you tell something else.
Guys, Selenium just started. You have like I'm just playing with Selenium. Actually, for my, if I'll say I have not started Selenium yet.
Who is it?
If you'll ask me, I'll say I have not started Selenium yet. The main part is waiting from POM.
Mm.
Yeah, the main part are
sir,
form, test engine, and
um,
framework.
POM test ng framework. Seriously, I'm saying if
It's
you are not acquainted with all those concepts, I'll say that no faculty can teach you. You will say that what is teaching, I don't know, because you will not get there. Before
mm.
POM, you have to do all those assignment. That for that reason, I used to give assignment. If you are going with the assignment, see, normally what is there? Nothing. As of you are saying, no, nothing is there in this web page. See, I'll click here. Oh, just a minute. These are the elements which I have to access on that. To work on this, I'll just make a structurized format. That means you know how to enter text field, you know how to handle drop down list, you know how to handle radio buttons. But thing is that you don't know about the concept of inheritance. You don't know how to call a method. You don't have that vision of doing an entire project. How you will do at that time? You'll say that what the faculty is teaching, I'm not getting anything. That is only the difference. But it is for me, from manual automation is very easy, if you'll say. See,
sir, a small.
just now I have started, like you all will be feeling just now you have started with the course. See, up to what I have completed, up to this I have completed. Previously, these are the concept you all have read already. See, these are the concept you have already read. But you have to keep on practicing. Without practice, you can do. No one can teach you at that time. Yeah. Any more doubts?
Sir, actually, I have a small request from my side, sir.
Okay.
Because you are explaining very detailedly and line by line and in a easy way to understand everyone.
Correct.
So a request from my side is just you can take one class or two class for only to deal with Java concept which are required for to work on this Selenium, sir. because in YouTube you find so many people
See
are
guys,
explaining them.
I'll just like maybe I'm wrong from starting. I'm saying maybe I'm wrong. I'm sorry for that. But here, those who are reading with Selenium with respect to Java, I will clear out everything, first of all. Second thing is, as you're saying, only one class, two class, why I'll take one, two classes for Java? During, see, you have, the thing is that you all have to attend the classes regularly. This is my first concern. Second concern, I am here to give, like, if I know, see, I'm not God, I know everything. If I don't know something, I'll let you know in the next class, but I will explain each and everything. I'm not going to miss out any of the concepts. Clear? Third thing is that coming to Java concepts with respect to that program, or with respect to the any of the logics of the Selenium code, I'll explain the Java part for sure. For loop I have explained you, set I have explained you, like how to use hash set, how to use tree set, what is the use of tree set. All the Java concept I am explaining. That's why I am saying, like, be focused in the class. 1 hour class, if you'll get focused, you'll get everything. And in YouTube you'll get many videos, but nowhere you will get, for sure I'll say you, nowhere you will get easy and clarity videos,
That's what I'm asking about this,
because
sir.
they will explain in details which is not that much required to get a job right now. Because it's a time, first of all, to get a job. It's a time to know about the concepts. While working in the live environment, more things are waiting for you to know. Till today I'm learning. Every day I used to learn. That's a regular process, buddy. We have to do.
Thank you, sir. Sir, if you don't mind, can I ask you one personal question?
Yeah.
Sir, where you are working, sir? I mean, uh, still you are learning, means you are maintaining some training institute, or
No,
separately you are handling some organization, or like that.
I am a QA lead of a organization. Previously I was a trainer. I switched my job from trainer to QA lead.
Okay, excellent.
That's a nice one.
And
Congratulations.
yeah.
Excellent, sir.
That's nice, actually. Congratulations.
Thank you. But I love to teach. That's why I'm teaching. It's not like for money or not for anything. That's my passion. I used to do.
It is a kind of knowledge sharing.
That's what. But for free, it is not good for you all guys.
Right, sir. Right.
Okay. Best of luck, guys. Have a good day. Take
Thank you.
care.
You too, sir.
Thank
If
you.
you are having any of the doubts, you can reach me out through mail or a WhatsApp group. Okay.
And you will send that syllabus to
Yeah,
everyone.
that one I'll
Okay.
send for sure. Today only I'll send.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
If
Thank
you
you.
don't mind, if you don't mind, just ping your email ID in the group chat, at WhatsApp group chat.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Bro, when you have number,
If you provide your number, is too very good, sir. Because
No, don't take my number. My number is in the group. You can
Group.
just
bro, in group only it's there,
see.
no?
I am not going to answer any personal messages, because it's not like that I will not answer. Many of, like, in India's number, I am saying I am not also disrespecting any countries or like that. Many peoples are also joining from outside. I'm getting messages with international numbers, which I am not entertaining. That's why I'm saying, if you want to send any questions or you are having any doubts, send in the group. I'll share my, if anything is there, we can talk after that. Clear? Because to entertain all the international numbers also is not that good, what I feel for me. Fine.
Yeah.
yeah, got it.
Okay,
Thank you.
guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Your email didn't came in chat, sir. No.
Here it
Did
is.
someone else got?
Sorry. It went to some personal.
Anyways, we'll get once you will share the syllabus.
What?
Anyways, we will be getting your email once you
Oh,
share
also,
the
I have given the mail ID. You can take it.
copy.
Okay, guys, I
Copy.
need to leave. Bye bye.